Looking for a reliable plumber near you in the Davie, Plantation, or Sunrise area? Meet Tip Top Plumbing and Restoration. From leak repairs to drain cleaning and toilet fixes to water heater woes, we're your go-to local plumbing experts. Our skilled team is ready for any plumbing emergency, ensuring your home runs smoothly. Need sewer line service or planning to repipe your home? We've got you covered. Trust Tip Top for prompt and professional plumbing services. Call now at 954-289-3110. Get the help you need when you need it most.